Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make pie at home without an oven. First, let's create our simple no-bake crust. You'll need about 1 1/2 cups of finely crushed graham crackers, which is roughly 10 to 12 full sheets. Combine these with 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Then, pour in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and mix thoroughly until everything is evenly moistened. Press this mixture firmly into a 9-inch pie plate, ensuring an even layer. Pop it into the fridge for at least 30 minutes to firm up. Now let's prepare a luscious, creamy filling for our pie. In a medium saucepan, whisk together 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and a small pinch of salt. Slowly pour in 2 cups of whole milk, stirring continuously to avoid any lumps. Place the saucepan over medium heat and cook, stirring constantly, until the mixture thickens to a pudding-like consistency, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. Remove it from the heat and stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter for richness. With our crust ready and filling prepared, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the warm, thickened filling directly into your firm, chilled graham cracker crust. Use a spatula to gently smooth the top, ensuring an even and appealing surface. To prevent a skin from forming, loosely cover the pie with plastic wrap, making sure it doesn't touch the filling directly. Now, the most crucial step, refrigerate your pie for a minimum of 4 hours, or even better, overnight, to allow it to set completely. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, it's time to garnish and enjoy your homemade, oven-free pie. Once the pie is thoroughly chilled and firm, remove it from the refrigerator. You can add your favorite toppings, such as fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a sprinkle of chocolate shavings. For clean slices, use a sharp knife, wiping it clean between each cut. Serve your delicious creation immediately, and remember to store any remaining pie in the refrigerator to maintain its freshness and texture.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.